Feeling overwhelmed by daily tasks? Constantly distracted or struggling to stay organized? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a smarter way, powered by AI? Today, we're revealing 10 AI life hacks that can help you instantly boost productivity, reduce stress, and make your everyday tasks effortless. Whether you're working, studying, or managing a business, these tools are here to save you time, brain power, and even money. Let's dive into the future of getting things done. Smarter, not harder. 1. ChatGPT, your instant idea generator. Need to brainstorm, write emails, or generate ideas fast? ChatGPT is like having a 24/7 assistant. Just type a prompt, and it delivers. 2. Grammarly, write with confidence. Grammarly doesn't just correct typos. It elevates your writing with tone suggestions, clarity fixes, and real-time edits, whether you're writing formal emails or casual posts. 3. Otter.ai, transcribe meetings and voice notes. Hate taking notes? Let Otter do it for you. It records and transcribes live conversations so you can focus on listening, not typing. 4. Notion AI, organize ideas seamlessly. From task lists to knowledge hubs, Notion AI can summarize, generate, and organize content inside your workspace. It's like Trello, Docs, and a second brain all in one. 5. Canva Magic Design, graphics in seconds. Even if you're not a designer, Canva's AI can turn a few words into stunning social media posts, presentations, or even logos. 6. Copy.ai, fast-track content creation. Creating blog posts, ads, or product descriptions? Copy.ai gives you ready-to-use content in seconds, perfect for marketers or anyone short on time. 7. Reclaim.ai, take back your time. Reclaim schedules your entire day around your real-life habits, meetings, and priorities. Smart time blocking has never been this hands-off. 8. Fireflies.ai, smarter meeting notes. This AI listens in on your Zoom or Google Meet calls, transcribes everything, and lets you search later. Great for teams and creators alike. 9. Speechify, listen to anything. Turn articles, PDFs, or emails into audio. With Speechify, you can listen on the go, at the gym, while driving, or even while cooking. 10. Jasper AI, brand-ready copywriting. Need ad copy, emails, or blog posts that sound on-brand every time? Jasper writes it all, tuned to your tone and goals. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing it smarter. These 10 AI tools aren't just cool. They're practical, powerful, and available today. Start with just one. Try Otter.ai for your next meeting, or let Reclaim plan your week. You'll be surprised at how much time and energy you'll save. For links to all these tools, visit intelliminds.tech. We post weekly tips, AI guides, and tools to help you simplify life with smart tech. Like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you. And share your favorite AI hack in the comments.